Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to sign up for PNC bank account. To do that, first we need to open up any web browser. In today's video, I'm going to use Google. After opening up Google, in the URL bar, type in PNC Bank. After that, there is an option called Online Banking. Click on that, which will lead you to its official webpage of PNC Bank. And in the topmost right corner, you will see a symbol called Sign On button. Click on the Sign On button, which will take you to a login page. And if you scroll down a bit, then you will see a Enroll in Online Banking option. Click on that. It will lead you to a sign up page where there are 5 steps. First step is to place the identification information. Select any one ID type to confirm your identification. After selecting any one, now the another section is for account information. There you need to type in your PNC account number or your personal debit card number. After doing that, you need to verify your information. Now select on any one of the following options, whether you can select to enter your PNC debit card PIN or your online access PIN, or even receive one-time passcode which will be sent to your phone. After that, click next. And the next step would be verification step, where they will ask your email or your phone number to send a verification code. After sending a verification code, you need to type in the code, and then it will lead to the third step, where you need to create your passcode. After creating your passcode, the fourth step is to log into your bank account. This is the last step. After completing that, you have successfully signed up for PNC bank account. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so that we can send you notification of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.